In front of me is REALME X50 5G, and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So at first you have to open your camera app, then go to video mode, tap on settings icon, and here you will notice video resolution. So just mark it, and here you can smoothly change it. So if you would like to apply 4K, just click here. Then if you would like to pick some smaller quality, just mark it. Then you can also change the frame rate right here from 60 to 30 FPS, but it's up to you. I will stay with 4K, even though it has higher power consumption, but the effects are way better. And this is it. So that would be all. This is how you can change video resolution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.